Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a symmetrical character design using the live mirror method in Adobe Illustrator. This technique makes it super easy to design perfectly balanced characters with smooth, clean process. First, let's bring our pre-made sketch into Illustrator. You can take a screenshot of the image if you like to follow me. Head over to the Layers panel and convert the image layer into a reference template layer. Now let's create two new layers, one for the outline and one for the color. Lock the color layer for now so we don't accidentally edit it. Next, activate the line tool. Create a vertical line by click and dragging to bottom while holding the Shift key. Place the line at the center of the sketch. With the line selected, go to the Object menu, repeat, and choose Mirror. Let's zoom in and make sure the line is perfectly centered before moving on. Now activate the Pen tool. For outlines, I'm using a 4-point stroke with rounded caps and corners. And start outlining the symmetrical parts of the character's face, starting from the center. If any lines overlap, no worries. Just select them, activate the Shape Builder tool. Hold down Option or Alt key and click to delete the unwanted parts. Once we're done with the symmetrical outline, it's time to release the mirror function. For that, click on this icon twice to exit from the Mirror Repeat Isolate layer. Select everything, go to the Object menu and click Expand. Click on OK with the object and Fill Enabled. Then right-click and ungroup twice. Next, with selected all elements, right-click again and choose Release Clipping Mask. Now you can delete the center lines and clipping mask edge box by selecting them. Continue refining the outline or make any minor adjustments before moving on to the next part, if you want. Here, I'm satisfied with my outlining. Let's start adding colors to our illustration. First, select everything and duplicate the outline onto the color layer. Now, lock and hide the outline layer for the moment. With all elements are selected on the color layer, activate the Live Paint Bucket tool. Using the color swatches, hover over the highlighted areas and start applying base colors to the illustration. For that, just click to fill each section. Once all the base colors are applied, go to the Object menu, select Expand, then Ungroup. Finally, remove the line work from the color layer, and now we're ready for shading. Let's start to add shadows and highlights to illustration. Using the pen tool, apply shadow shapes with a darker shade. Press Command or Ctrl+Y to activate wireframe view. This lets us see the reference sketch while working on the color layer, making it easier to place shadows accurately. Finally, I will add a background color to our illustration. And that's how you create a symmetrical character design using the live mirror function in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or want to see more Illustrator techniques, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome design content. Cheers, everyone!